YouTube, let's make some food. Maybe have a little sesh together. Might drink a little drink too. So today we're cooking stuff from HelloFresh. It's not a sponsored video, but we have the opportunity to make some money with HelloFresh. A big shout out to you guys for helping us get that opportunity. It's like a little affiliate marketing deal where if you guys sign up using the code, the link that's in the description, and get an order from HelloFresh, then JimTanna makes a little bit of money. You know what I mean? So let's make the food before we go ahead and try to do that little affiliate deal. And if it's good, we'll do it. If it's not good, peace. But today we're gonna make sesame soy pork bowls, which is pretty cool. It gives us all the ingredients. It's all here and then it's there. And then it also gives us the instructions right here, what we need, how to do it. Let's see what we got. Let's do this. And while we're cooking this, Janna's doing a little rug making action over here. Just finishing up a couple things that'll be available on the website probably by the time that this is released. So step one, we're gonna do the rice. And then step two, we're gonna prep and mix some mayo. Pork, finish and serve. It says it should only take 25 minutes. All right, let's open our bag of this stuff. Oh, there's our rice, carrots, a lime. Should be 2 of everything. Look at that. Bam. Sweet soy glaze. Look at all this stuff. Let's watch the rice. 2 1/4 cups of water is what it says we need. Bam. All right, next step, we need to combine the sriracha and the mayo. Boom, combined. All right, let's actually get these combined. Just sway with the mayo. Don't want those in there. Let's see if we can efficiently get this stuff out. I think we did a pretty decent job. Now we got the sriracha. We're doing a whole packet in here, and then we'll see if we need more. I think we might need more. Oh, yes. All right, let's get this mixed together and see if we need to add any more of the chili sauce. Oh, we're definitely gonna need to add more. That is be a little too light, I think. Maybe not. Uh-oh, our rice. It's boiling over. Chill. Calm down a little bit. Calm down a second. Hold on. Simmer, calm down, rice. Holy shit. All right, the rice is under control. We were freaking out a little bit. Let's get back over here. Let's actually just taste this a little bit. A little bit more spice, There we go. Gotta mix the terps in, baby. Gotta mix the terps. Speaking of terps, let's take a dab break real quick. Get a little dab break in while we're cooking. Make sure to turn the rice on very low so it doesn't get too crazy. If it does, we might have to start over on the rice. But I'm gonna speed run a dab with you guys right now. Hopefully we're deep enough in here where the YouTube robot's not gonna get mad at us. So let's go. Cooling down. Let's go on this dab together, guys. Cheers for anybody watching. Hit the like, subscribe button if you enjoy the content. A little more cooking action for you guys on this one. Let's go. Back to the food. It said it wanted me to zest this a little bit. I don't have a zester, so this will do. Am I getting any of it? I'm gonna use a thicker side. This side? That side. Yeah, that's the side. A little bit. Dude, this knife is dull. Oh my god. Either this is the lime of the century or that knife is so dull. Yo, what the this needs to go in the garbage can. Okay, a little bit of olive oil. Let's cook this pork, the carrots, and let's get it going. Disperse that oil a little better. It's gonna be warm. Oh, that's a big old slab. Let's get that broken up. Some salt on it. Oh, it's easy to break up. We like. Oh, I lost a piece. Break it up. And let's get some salt going on here. Get this browned a little. And then we're going to mix in the carrots. And then once we get the carrots rocking, we can mix in the soy glaze. And then we're ready to go, man. Super simple. Let's rock. 20 minutes. Easy cook time. Let's give this a little bit, pinch more salt on there. Get that rocking, fully browned carrots. sesame seed glaze going on next. Come on. Right, the pork is browned. Now we're gonna throw in these carrots and the sesame seed. Let's rock. Man, my pan is not big enough. This is sketchy. Oh, this is gonna be sketchy. We have a mountain going on, guys. just my perspective. What the help? Just be nice and gentle. Just nice and gentle. It's gonna cook down. They're gonna cook down. They're gonna get smaller. Hopefully. Maybe. Yo! This is a tight squeeze. Let's kind of heat down just a little bit. I do like the carrots in there. That looks way better. A little bit of color going on. I like it. Okay, we're rocking. Get the glaze on there too, so it can cook while it's in there. Nice. And we got one more. This is the soy sweet glaze, and they gave us extra of this. Janna made sure I read the instructions correctly. So I'll just put it all in here like psycho. And a little bit of the second bag, but not the whole. Let's mix this in just though. Nice and gentle, because our pot is full. No spill, no spill, no spill. We got this. We're moving though. We're making this small space work. So we need a little bit more of the glaze. And then we should be styling. Let's get a little bit more of that glaze on there. Okay. Rice came together. Pork, carrots. All the glaze looking good. HelloFresh, I might be a little impressed here. We're gonna find out though. We gotta do a taste test. We gotta know. Because all they had me do was add salt. I'm gonna add some butter to the rice. But that's it. So we'll find out. Bye-bye, butter. All right, let's plate this stuff and let's eat, baby. I got a couple of these drinks left and we're just gonna send it tonight, guys. We're just gonna send it. Look at this. Big 100 milligrams. Let's see what happens. So sketch. Nice. They're coming together. These like actually pretty friggin' good.
Down here on the side so you can have it with the rice, you know?
Nice.
If you want to mix it.
I like this. Picasso over here with it. Let's eat this. Let's drink that. And let's see if HelloFresh is good, bad, ugly. Let's find out. Because I'm super hungry. Ooh, the lemon. Damn.
Lime?
That's a lime. It's green. Nice. Juicy. Let's fucking go. Yo, comment if you want to live inside there. I'd live right there in that little crevice. Part 2, see if YouTube doesn't like me drinking this. Let's open this up and taste it. And then if it tastes good, we're going to drink the whole thing while we keep munching. Because this stuff is delicious. Ooh. Fresh seal.
Maybe. Maybe not.
Uh-oh. Don't break it down. Uh-oh. I won't film that one for everybody.
Hold on. No, I can't get it.
Just viciously biting it. All right, well, it's definitely adult proof. 1 second. Okay, I'm not even joking. I don't know if I'll ever buy one again just based on how hard that was to fucking open. So I don't know if I'm just incapable or what, but that was difficult. Taste test. Let's go. Not for you guys. You silly. It's mine. Let's try this. 100 milligrams THC, less than 2 milligrams CBD per bottle. Sweet peach iced tea, cannabis infused beverage. Smells good. It tastes kind of good. It smells really good. Tastes kind of good. I feel like I can taste the weed and I'm just fucking not cute. I'm like, oh my god, I know there's weed in here. Fuck. Alright, here we go. On the journey. That was fucking good. Hers is gone. Hello, goodbye. HelloFresh. I don't know what that was, but that was yummy. Yeah, impressed? Yes. I didn't think it was going to be that good. Okay. Well, I think maybe we're going to do the affiliate marketing? Yeah, affiliate marketing thing. Because that tastes good. I might just order more. We have 2 other things. We have like chicken one and then a beef one. Let's try those 2 because we're going to eat this for lunch tomorrow because they give you 2 servings of it. So we eat this for lunch tomorrow. But then dinner tomorrow night, we'll do either the beef or the chicken, the fried chicken panko one. Wow. That was good. Let's finish this drink and let's see what the rest of the night brings us, man. Not too much, maybe some craziness. I don't know. Stick around, find out. Let's go. Cheers. You can definitely taste the weed in this stuff. Oh, fuck. When I check back in later tonight, I'm gonna be fucked up. I don't want to record. I already know it's coming. This was $11 too, by the way. $11. Worth it? I don't know.
I don't know what happened. I fell asleep. I just woke up. I fell asleep on the couch. Fuck. That edible. I'm still so high. I'm gonna take a shower and then finish this vlog. Okay, feel a little bit better. Woke up wasted. Fell asleep on the couch. I don't even remember, like, after I drank it, we ate the food, we were watching TV. I don't even remember what happened where I just got so high and fell asleep, but we're here. Yeah. I don't know where the rest of this vlog's gonna go. I'm just gonna vlog the rest of the day. We're gonna stream today. I think I'm gonna go see my uncle. But yeah, we'll see what happens the rest of the day. I don't really know. I don't have any plans. But I want to finish this vlog up because it's a good one. We like the cooking. We'll get another day, maybe 2 days in the life with... I'm exhausted. I feel so much better after the shower, though. When I first woke up, my head was spinning. Let's start a stream. Let's do this. All right, I just finished a live stream. I have to jump in the sauna right now. I'm going to take another dab, though, because I forgot to record on the live stream. So let's rip a dab together. Let's jump in the sauna and see what the rest of the day gets us. I think Janna's coming back to finish some rugs. We'll shoot a little of that content, show you some of that. If you don't know, my wife makes amazing, amazing content. Her info is in the description as well. Go check out her channel. Let's take this dab. Now, I always want to know, man, with the community, do you guys take hot dabs? Do you take cold dabs? Do you know the temperature of the setup that you're going with, or are you kind of guessing? You know, ever since I started using these temperature gauges, it's really made it easier for me to take the kind of dab that I want, where I'm not, you know, like, if I want to take a warm dab, I can take one. But if I want to take like a perfect temperature, cold, terpy dab, I'm able to dial it in and take that 10 out of 10 dab. Now, when I didn't use it, I would usually use like the wrist tech or stuff, and every now and then I would burn a dab, or it just wouldn't be that proper experience. So I always like to see what people are doing. Are you guys still using the wrist tech on here? Do you have a temperature gauge? Are you going hot? Are you going cold? What's the vibe? Let's torch this thing. All right, we're cooling down right there, guys. Got a few seconds before we rip this dab. We are gonna smoke, let's see, De La Creme. The JMO. Yeah, there's still some in there. Well, it's hard to see because of the black jar, but this stuff is fire. I'll show you on the dabber. Nice. Yeah, this stuff is super tasty, man. Big shout out to De La Creme. Tony, you do good things, man. You do good things. As I was saying, see, look, we're cooling down right there. It tells me the exact temperature of the nail that's right above it. Very helpful, very helpful. Alright guys, we're out of here. Thank you for watching the video. Hit the like, subscribe button. See you on the next vlog. Peace.